probably the most difficult install I've ever done right here. And had this not been planned out perfectly, it would have been a nightmare. That furnace had 2 screws in the back corner, back here, way back there against the wall. Unbelievable. So we made a separate filter cabinet because obviously we can't move the line set and slide that in with the boot on like we normally do. And the only problem we're going to have is connecting that back corner to the existing boot. I made a little offset there to get that back. Hopefully the filter will come out all right. See how it goes.